Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times this week, so that is where that green line is coming from. That's also where the first update needs to come into play, and this update is based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance, or excuse me, when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what played out here today. And that is exactly what's played out here late day in the afternoon. So to give some credit where credit's due, there was certainly a nice bounce here that occurred from 0004 all the way, working itself back up to there. So when you have expanding boxes in the upwards direction, always a good sign there. But it just, like I said, from a technical perspective and just knowing, the traditional rules of how things act, then yeah, not shocking at all to see the price did get rejected right there. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the price can never, ever break above 0007 again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did ultimately, get rejected at that level right there. So point being, going into next week, definitely 0007 is by far public enemy number one. Good news is the price is well within striking distance, whereas, if the price was actually still down at, let's just call it 0004, that would imply that the price would first have to work its way all the way back up there just to start to do battle with it. But that's not the case at all. The price can immediately resume doing battle on it on Monday, assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that. So, assuming none of that occurs, then yeah, the price is within striking distance, and it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that the price very well could break above 0007. Again, if it was down here at 0004 and people were saying, oh, it's breaking 0007, well, that's getting a little too much because, let's first just see if the price can even get up to 0007. But the price is already right there, so we'll see if the price can indeed break up above it. As far as levels of support are concerned and levels that you would want to see the price hold up above, at this point, it's really basically a must-hold level and must hold down here at 0004. And I say that because if the price were to drop below 0004, that's essentially putting the price right back to where everything started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. But overall, the price is much closer to breaking through 0007 than it is 0004. So it'll be an interesting week next week. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.